Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to my good channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all of you may Almighty keep you happy, keep you home safe and happy, and may you continue to enjoy like the summer. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet handbags design, shoulder bag designs, wooden handle bag designs, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet handbag designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all the designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Then inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box. Or like our video if you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you want you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else and you can make a similar designs. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any video in my channel. I will share with you some different designs. I will keep sharing with you all kind of fascinating designs. So inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Love.